Let's chart the journey that our customers, or should we say heroes, take as they voyage from discovering our app to spending some money in an in-app purchase.
There's 4 main stages for them to overcome: discovery, sales, new user, and active user. If you think about it like a big funnel, discovery is at the wide end, and paying us money is at the spout. Let's focus on one hero and follow her journey to giving us some of her hard-earned cash. So, how did she even hear about our app? Most likely, she searched the App Store for some particular keywords. Almost half our heroes find apps this way. Then we've got these 4 middle ways: word of mouth, general web browsing, App Store feature, and App Store charts. And finally, we have web search and ads. Once our heroes become aware of our app, we have a fraction of a second to convince her to begin our adventure with us. This is where sales comes in. At this stage, our hero is making a series of snap judgments in order to decide which app to download and whether to download ours. She'll assess each of these things in the following order: the icon, the screenshots, the rating summary, both the total number and the average score, with the total being more important. It's also important to note here, she is not reading the reviews, just looking at the numbers. Then we have the app name, and then preview video. By now she's probably made up her mind, but if she hasn't, she'll go ahead and actually read the reviews of our app. After that, if she's still not sure, she'll read the app description. Finally, she goes ahead and taps the Get button to download our app. Now, if our hero found us from an App Store feature, or maybe after a price drop, there's a possibility that even though she's downloaded the app, she may never actually run it. But if she found us via search or word of mouth, there's a good chance that she will. She then enters the first of 4 gauntlets she must overcome before she's likely to spend her money. First of all, she has to get through the first run or onboarding process. If our app has a sign up, then many heroes will fall at this stage. Even if she gets through this stage, if the app is difficult to use or feels unintuitive, she may give up. Equally, if the features of our app aren't up to what she hoped for, she may abandon ship. Or if it simply isn't valuable enough for her to keep using, she may give up too. Finally, our app needs to have an element of addictiveness and re-engagement. Making an app addictive may seem like a cynical and evil thing to do, but if your app is truly benefiting our hero, wouldn't we want her to use it as much as possible? After many travails, our hero has made it into the kingdom of active users. She is now likely to buy our in-app purchase or subscription, or simply use the app and generate ad revenue. While she is here, we can also encourage her to do other things. For example, if she leaves a rating or shares on social media, this will help other heroes in the early stages of their journey. I hope you enjoyed this adventure and found it entertaining and enlightening.
In our next adventure, we'll journey together using analytics and real data, and we'll figure out where we lose people between discovering our app and making an in-app purchase. We can then use this information in our own apps to help us decide where to focus our efforts. If you'd like to see that video when it comes out, you know what to do. Hit like, subscribe, and that notify bell. Until next time, happy coding.